Length of the
Question number
14.
Question number 14. What it is saying?
The length of the common chord
Length
of the common chord
length of common chord
of two intersecting circles
common chord of two
intersecting circles
intersecting
circles
intersecting circles
is 30 centimeter.
circles is
30 centimeter.
30 centimeter. ठीक है. Length of common chord of two intersecting circles is 30 centimeter. ठीक है.
If the radii of two circles, if the radii of two circles
If radii of two circles
are 25 centimeter,
two circles 25
and 17 centimeter,
and 17 centimeter,
find the distance between their centers.
find
Distance between their centers.
distance between their
Centers.
centers. Right. You get this?
Yes.
Okay. So there is one circle which is of
30.
okay, this radius.
Sorry, God.
This is ये circle, it is having a radius of say 25 centimeter. ठीक है, 25 centimeter. ठीक. And you have another circle which is having radius of how much?
17 centimeter.
Center is 17 centimeter. This is of 17 centimeter, right? And there is a common chord between them is like this. This is common chord. This is O. This is O dash, right? So this is A. This is B. So line from center perpendicular to chord, bisect the chord, ठीक. तो क्या हुआ कि ये आपने कॉर्ड बाइसेक्ट यहाँ से ड्रॉ किया, ये 90 डिग्री हो गया, ये 90 डिग्री हो गया. लाइन फ्रॉम सेंटर परपेंडिकुलर टू कॉर्ड बाइसेक्ट द कॉर्ड. तो ये मतलब बाय कंस्ट्रक्शन we have done this, right? Now up, this is of how much? This total del length is 30 centimeter. Chord length of chord is 30 centimeter. Chord length is 30 centimeter. So half of that is 15 and 15. So if we take in consideration if it is C, so in triangle BCO, so OB square is equal to OC square plus BC square. BC square. अब ये हुआ 25 का होल स्क्वायर is equal to OC square. OC is how much? चलो OC square we have to find out. OC square plus how much? BC is 15. So 15 square. So it is how much? 625 minus 225 is equal to OC square. So it is 400 is equal to OC square, taking root over both sides. So OC is equal to 20 centimeter. You get that? Now similarly, by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, O dash B square is equal to BC square plus O dash C square. Up O dash B square is 17 square is equal to 220. Sorry, this is BC is 15. So this is 15 square. 15 square plus O dash C square. So this is what? 289 minus 225 becomes O dash C square.
वो तो हमने फाइंड किया हुआ है ना.
O dash C है ना now. So this is how much? 64, right? So O dash C is equal to square is equal to 64, taking root over both sides. So O dash C is equal to 8 centimeter, right? So now distance between centers between O dash is equal to OC plus O dash C is equal to what? OC is 20 plus 8 is equal to 28 centimeter. What is your answer? So distance between O and O dash is equal to 28 centimeter. You get this?
Yes, sir.
So this is the solution of the question.
Yes, sir.
I hope you understand.
Yes.
Okay.